Okay, so hi guys. Thank you so much for joining us here, and thanks to GBB Ventures. So the topic which I'm going to cover here is emerging trends in managed network services. It's a huge concept. It's different. What is managed IT service and a managed network service? So I'll try my best to keep it short. Okay, so first of all, when I say managed network service, this refers to outsourcing your corporate network to a third-party vendor or a company. With the managed network service, you can plan your networks from network discovery to feasibility to deployments to last mile deployments and converting your on-premise infrastructure into the cloud. So myself, Hassam Ahmed, I'm the founder and CTO of Netcomm Global, and Netcomm itself is a managed network services providing company. Currently working, we have a headquarter in US, a back office in Dubai, and yes, we are also working in Saudi. Okay, so why to opt managed network services? So for example, if you are a medium or a large size corporation, and I'm going towards a very basic problem. You are facing packet losses. You have a team, but they're not able to analyze why those problems are occurring again and again. So you cannot manage network services provider to lean your resources, to get innovative ideas, to get multiple vendors channel onboarding. So for example, if you have a resource who is only trained on Cisco, but as per the requirement, you also need a Palo Alto firewall or something like that. So managed network services providers are channel partners to multiple other vendors. And you also get flexibility to get involved in your business operations. Okay, so when I talk about managed network services features or MSP provider features, you get network discovery and pre-feasibility is done. You get complete network designs, SOPs, and technical scope of works to be designed for your network operations. You get security and advanced firewall services, and etc. So when I say SD-WAN adoption, SD-WAN, it's a big buzz right now. So people are going towards SD-WAN to optimize their traffic or bandwidth needs. So world has moved towards SD-WAN now. There is a parameter called quality of services, and then there is QoE, quality of experience. So for example, if you want to stay routed to the traffic for those servers which are involved or deployed in your country, you can go for QoE. So there is no need of SD-WAN. So if I talk about emerging trends in managed network services, number one is zero trust security. You design your firewall in a way like no one can enter your network. Edge computing integration, SD-WAN and QoE adoption. Obviously now controllers are moving on cloud, so you need a very strong analytical setups. So you get network analytics and obviously IoT network management. So I'm going to discuss a case study here, what we did for Family Choice of New York, FCNY. It's a US-based customer, and they have multiple offices in US. They provide remote patient monitoring to the end users. They have 400 plus employees, and what the employees do is they take all the remote patient monitoring hardware to the patient's home, and they deploy it, but they need a very strong, because they're HIPAA compliant company, so they need a very strong network to transmit data from their headquarters, from their cloud, to the last mile patient's home. So what we did for them was, they were using Sophos, and there was a challenge. Their license was getting expired, and they want to move from Sophos to any other hardware. So we discovered their network, and we proposed them to move on Meraki-based appliance. And they have site-to-site connectivity deployed. Their cloud is directly accessible to the LAN users. They are enjoying SD-WAN capabilities, and obviously when I say Cisco Meraki, their firewall is pretty much strong now. Okay, so if you talk about our strength, we have 56 plus network administrators who is working for us, and they manages your network remotely from our back offices, number one. Number two, We are channel partner to all the major hardware providers. We are working with AWS Cloud. We are working with, Cloudflare, obviously Akamai and Tencent. And one more thing, and for example, if you face a problem on your network, I know our NOC is hosted remotely. We have a tier 3 data center for these dedicated monitorings, and yes, we also host servers for our customers. But what if you face a problem, and for that you need a physical store, so no worries. We have a dedicated teams at our regional offices, at our headquarters, so they will be coming for you to do the deployments. So we can do last mile deployments for you. We can do network configurations. We do network discoveries, and obviously, we can design a complete technical services scope for you and for your employees. Thank you so much.